What's going on? I'm your man, cooldmg, and today we are talking about nature, communicating with nature, letting nature communicate through you, being in alignment with source, the universe, and nature. First, let me say that this day was a beautiful day. I had to go outside to do some grounding. If you notice in the video, I love to look up and let the sun hit my eyes. But what I enjoyed most was the communication with the trees. The wind picks up from time to time, and if you just really in tune, or if you really love to pay attention to how the universe communicates with and through and to you, this can be enjoyable. I mean, there's endless benefits to grounding, sun gazing, holistic activities, but doing it for fun just hits different. You can see me grabbing, giving my soul tribe a hug. Yes, I said my soul tribe. An energetic hug. And I'm even gonna get get groovy with it. That boy got NASA tall. Vibes, man. You have to be able to vibe. Because some people call it their child manner. Some of us call it innocence. Some of us call it joy. Whatever you call it, you have to be able to tap into that place where you can be fun, you can be you without ridicule, without criticism, without feeling judged, without feeling like you look stupid or ugly or anything. Now, this video has a lot of significance to me because something magnificent has happened in this video. I was able to, one, demonstrate light codes, light language for you guys. And if you pay attention here, that's what I'm tapping into. And it comes when it comes. Light language is not meant to be explained, translated into verbal words. Light language is meant to be felt, understood, absorbed. And if you're able to feel that, like I was, then you get what was going on here. Ooh, get sturdy with it. Yeah. Oh man, gotta love it. So, one of the fine points in this video, like I mentioned earlier, is nature had communicated through me. And for the past month, I'll say, I have been seeing things that are out of the ordinary, especially for me. And me being a supernatural being, I see a lot of things that are ordinary that may seem crazy, but this is different. Imagine being able to see the algorithm. Imagine being able to see the codes in life. And yes, I'm over there belly dancing and unlocking my root chakra. This is real sensual work. This is real. I'm enjoying myself, no cap. Imagine being able to see the 001001s and the codes right before your eyes. Well, I'm not going to say I see numbers now, but lately I have been tapping into an algorithm. And what I've learned here is that this algorithm is deeper than just numbers. It's deeper than the stock market. Actually, it's a part of the stock market. It's a part of crypto. It's even a part of speds betting. It's a part of our emotional vibration. It's nature. We are a part of it, excuse me, on a quantum level. And the more I pay attention to this algorithm, the more I was able to predict things that were happening in it. Yeah, I pointed to you. I'm talking to the DMG Ohana's, aka the ancestors. I let them know that you were here with us. And they shared a message with me. This is me receiving a download live. And as I picked up on the download, the wind kind of carried it through. All downloads are not conversations being held in your head or aloud or seeing something on TV. Sometimes you literally receive the messages through the wind, like you see here. And the message was so freaking awesome, I had to apply it immediately. And show gratitude, of course. In this most recent download, I see that something massive is happening. It's happening. We are a part of the happening. And energetically, it's going to be overwhelming for some, omnipotent for others. In this particular moment, I knew that the universe had my back. I knew that God was with me, living through me and to me and all of these things, and I had to apply the information.
cooldmg the Miller.